396 species in genus Litsea. Frequently asked questions about the Litsea genus. When I first discovered the Litsea genus, I was drawn to its versatility and unique qualities. Litsea has a range of uses, from essential oils to ornamental purposes, and offers a sensory experience that's both aromatic and therapeutic. With so many people curious about this intriguing plant, I've compiled some frequently asked questions to help you better understand Litsea and its many benefits. What is Litsea? Litsea is a genus of evergreen trees and shrubs belonging to the Litsea family. There are hundreds of species, but the most popular is Litsea cubiba, commonly known as meichong. Native to Southeast Asia, this plant is known for its citrusy aroma and small fruits, often used in essential oils. You'll find Litsea trees in tropical and subtropical climates, where they thrive in warm temperatures and moderate humidity. See full list at monsteraholic.com. What does Litsea smell like? The scent of Litsea, particularly from Litsea cubiba, is fresh, lemony, and slightly floral. Imagine a blend of lemongrass and citrus fruits, with a hint of spice in the background. The aroma is often described as uplifting and refreshing, making it a popular ingredient in perfumes, soaps, and aromatherapy. What is Litsea essential oil? Litsea essential oil is extracted from the fruits of the Litsea cubiba plant through steam distillation. It's a light, citrus-scented oil with a bright, invigorating fragrance. In aromatherapy, Litsea oil is often used for its mood-lifting properties. It also has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and astringent qualities, making it useful in skincare products. What is Litsea essential oil used for? Litsea essential oil has several applications. I often use it in diffusers to help uplift the mood and reduce stress. Its antimicrobial properties make it a great addition to cleaning products, while its astringent nature is beneficial in skincare routines to tone and purify the skin. Some people use Litsea oil to alleviate respiratory issues, thanks to its decongestant properties. It's also great for combating oily skin and acne due to its cleansing abilities. What is Litsea good for? Litsea is good for many things. Its essential oil is prized for emotional balance, helping to reduce anxiety and uplift the spirits. In skincare, Litsea oil can help tone and tighten the skin while managing acne. Its antimicrobial and antifungal properties also make it useful for cleaning, especially when you want to add a fresh scent to your home. Some people use it in massage blends for its anti-inflammatory effects, soothing sore muscles and joints. How to use Litsea oil? There are several ways I like to use Litsea oil. For aromatherapy, I'll add a few drops to my diffuser to create a calming and energizing environment. It can also be added to a carrier oil and applied topically to help with skin conditions or mixed into lotions and creams for a refreshing scent. Litsea oil works well in homemade cleaning solutions too. Just mix it with water and vinegar for a natural disinfectant. However, always dilute it properly when applying to the skin. Is Litsea photosensitive? One important thing to know is that Litsea oil is not photosensitive, meaning it doesn't cause adverse reactions when exposed to sunlight. This makes it safe to use in skincare products, unlike other citrus oils like lemon or bergamot, which can lead to skin irritation when exposed to UV rays. Is Litsea safe for dogs? Litsea oil should be used with caution around pets, including dogs. While it's not considered toxic, essential oils, in general, can cause adverse reactions in pets, especially when used in high concentrations. I would recommend consulting your vet before using Litsea oil around your dog to ensure safety. If you diffuse it at home, make sure your dog can leave the room if they find the scent overwhelming. Is Litsea safe for internal use? Ingesting Litsea oil is generally not recommended unless under the supervision of a healthcare professional. While some essential oils are used internally for therapeutic purposes, Litsea oil may cause irritation or toxicity when taken orally. It's best to stick to external applications like diffusion or topical use. What does Litsea taste like? If you're curious about the taste, Litsea fruits are often described as slightly tangy with a hint of spice. The flavor is not typically used in culinary applications, but is more common in traditional medicine. The oil itself is not consumed due to potential irritation, but the fruits may sometimes be incorporated into herbal remedies. Can you grow Litsea indoors? Growing Litsea indoors can be challenging because the plant prefers warm, tropical environments. However, With the right care, such as plenty of sunlight and a humid environment, you might succeed with smaller species or young plants. Just make sure to give it ample light and water regularly, as Litsea enjoys moist but well-drained soil. How to care for Litsea plants. Caring for Litsea requires the right climate and attention to its needs. These plants thrive in full sun to partial shade and prefer consistently moist, well-drained soil. If you live in a tropical or subtropical region, you can plant them outdoors, but they also make great additions to greenhouses. Fertilize the plant during the growing season and water regularly, making sure not to let the soil dry out completely. Is Litsea toxic? Litsea is generally safe for humans, though, as with any plant, it's a good idea to avoid ingesting large amounts of the fruit or leaves without proper guidance. The essential oil, while beneficial in many ways, should not be consumed internally. As mentioned earlier, use caution with pets, and always consult an expert if unsure.